In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a URL in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in your browser to get started. Once the admin dashboard loads, look to the left sidebar and click Content. This opens the area where Shopify keeps navigation and related content settings. From there, click Menus. On the minus page, move your attention near the top of the screen and click URL Redirects. This takes you to the URL Redirects page. If you have not created any redirects before, the page may look empty, and that is normal. This is the section where Shopify stores each redirect path, so you can manage where older links send visitors. Now click Create URL Redirect in the upper right corner. A form will open with two main fields. In the Redirect From field, type the old URL path. Enter only the path you want people to visit less, using the exact path that should redirect. Take a moment here and type the full old path carefully into that field. Next, click into the Redirect To field and type the new destination path. This is the path where you want that old link to send visitors instead. Enter the new path carefully in this box so Shopify knows the destination for the redirect. After both fields are filled in, click Save Redirect. The redirect is now active. Anyone who visits the old URL path will be sent automatically to the new page. Shopify treats this as a permanent redirect, also known as a 301, so the old path points to the new destination going forward. You will be taken back to the URL redirects page, where the new redirect now appears in the list. You should see the old paths shown in the redirect from area, pointing to the new path in the redirect area. This confirms that the redirect has been created and saved in Shopify. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, if a customer or a search engine visits the old URL path, Shopify will permanently redirect them to the new destination. That means the redirect is set up and working from the URL Redirects section inside your Shopify admin.